Newton's first law. Newton's first law of motion, also called the law of inertia, wasn't an idea he came up with on his own. He had been thinking about the experiments of another scientist named Galileo, and then added his own ideas. In his writings, Newton concluded that an object that's not moving or still will remain still, or an object moving or in motion will remain in motion, both in a straight line and at a constant speed unless another forces acts upon it. Consider this: the crown and this ball are both still or motionless. The ball won't move unless someone kicks it or picks it up. It moves because a force is applied that changes its state. It goes from being still to being in motion. According to Newton's first law, the ball should continue to roll without stopping, but at some point it does stop. This happened because the foot's push isn't the only force acting on the ball. There are also other forces affecting it that we might not notice, like friction and gravity. Friction occurs when two moving objects touch each other, or if one is moving but the other remains still. It's an opposing force that affects the motion of things. Let's go back to our example. While the ball is rolling, it's rubbing against the grass. Friction makes the ball slow down little by little. The force of gravity is also pulling the ball downwards. Both of these factors affects the ball's movements. When the ball stays still, it's because all of the forces are equals. But when it gets kicked, these greater forces cause the ball to move. If gravity and friction weren't there, the ball would keep moving forever, like a rocket in space. That's because of Galileo's concept of inertia. Objects at rest stay at rest, and objects in motion stay in motion. Newton confirmed this idea. Objects move in the same direction and at a constant speed unless acted on by a force. Hopefully, this video has given you a good sense of the first law of motion.